In this problem we have given two bar magnet, this one and this one, and this is the point where we have to find the direction of magnetic field. Two equal bar magnets are kept as shown in the figure. The direction of resultant magnetic field. Resultant magnetic field means field due to this bar magnet and this bar magnet, and this is the point where we have to find the direction of magnetic field. There's four option is given and this one is the correct one. So this point is actually on the equatorial line. This is axis of the first bar magnet and this is axis of the second bar magnet. For this bar magnet, this is on the equatorial point, and for this bar magnet this point is on the axial line, and their net field whose direction is to be calculated here, is to find here. It's this is south pole and this is north pole. So this bar magnet has magnetic dipole moment m, and its direction we know is from south pole to north pole along the axis of dipole. This line joining the south pole to north pole is called axis of dipole, while this line which is perpendicular to its length and passing midway between the dipole bar magnet is called equatorial line. So this is equatorial line and this is called axial line. Axial line because this is axis of bar magnet, so this is axial line. Any point on this bar magnet is called a axial point, and any point on this line is called a point on equatorial line. Suppose I have taken these 2 points. The magnetic field on the axial line, everywhere, any point on this axial line, I can take point here also. The direction of magnetic field due to this bar magnet at any point on the axial line is along the direction of dipole moment m, that is in that direction. And on the equatorial line, the magnetic field is opposite to dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment m, that is in that direction at any point, that direction. Similarly, on this line the magnetic field will be along this, and I assume this bar magnet is small compared to the distance of point from the bar magnet. Suppose this is r. So the magnetic field on the axial line is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube, while on the equatorial line, suppose this is a point and this distance is r, the magnetic field here is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m upon r cube. Here we have two bar magnet, and there's a point suppose P here, where we have to find the magnetic field due to these two bar magnets. These two bar magnet I can assume are identical in that is their dipole moment is same. I assume it may not be equal also. So for the first bar magnet, the direction of dipole moment is along the axis of bar magnet from south pole to north pole, that is this is direction of dipole moment for this one, and for this is the direction of dipole moment for this this bar magnet. So this point P, this is first bar magnet, this is second. So this point P is on equatorial line of first bar magnet, while for the second it is on the axial line. For the first bar magnet, the magnetic field at point P will be opposite to its dipole moment, that is upward, because its dipole moment is downward. So this is the magnetic field due to first one. and for the second it will be along the dipole moment, that is in that direction. So we have two magnetic field. Suppose this is B1 and this is B2, so their resultant magnetic field will be from parallelogram method vector addition along this direction. So this is the answer.